Hello guys, this is Correct Bet. Are you interested on these newly found tricks? I just found these new tricks. This is how this tricks works. This is when you play under 1.5. There's a trick you will use. There's some odd that you use. You cash out in 1 minute to 2 minutes without delay, and it would be big or like 4 odd under 1.5, 3 odd. But there is kind of odd you're going to choose on it. You cash out within 1 minute to 2 minutes. You just cash out big. This is a new trick I just found out on Zoom Soccer, working perfectly right now. Working perfectly. So if you're interested, just chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. WhatsApp number still remains 07036760527. This is the new trick I found out on Zoom Soccer right now. You cash out within 1 minute to 2 minutes. You cash out on under 1.5. Once you choose it before you start, you go to, or you'll be waiting just a minute or 2 minutes. You cash out big on these three sets. You can see the ones I do here.